What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have another case video for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This case comes to you from UAG Urban Armor Gear. Now this is their Plyo case series, and I have purchased this before. This is approved, drop tested by military grade standards. It is a certified accessory by Samsung, so this is designed for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10, so there's going to be no issues there. Without further ado, this is, wait, what do you mean without further ado? This is $39.95 with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these cases up. But if you don't want to pay $39.95, stay to the end of the video so you can find out how you can get one of these for free if you're lucky. It's not guaranteed. But let's go ahead and unbox this. Very nice presentation, always the great packaging from UAG, as it should be, because you are paying top dollar for this case. Might as well get top dollar packaging, right? So this is the ash color here. This is a very minimalist case, but it does add protection needed for your phone. It is the ash one, as I mentioned. You do have this like kind of like this texture on the back. It's not clear, and it adds for grip. It just makes for the phone to be even grippier, because this case does not look like it has grip, but this texture is very grippy actually. And you do have these bumper stops around the edges here for more added grip protection. But let's go ahead and put the phone inside the case to see how this actually works. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector right now. This is the UAG Plyo tempered glass screen protector. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up, because the screen protector works just fine with the Plyo case. There's no issues there. So this case is tempered glass friendly, or is the glass case friendly? Never thought about that, Anyways, it works just fine. And on the left side of the phone, we do have cover buttons. So the buttons are very nice and responsive, very clicky, so you are gonna have no issue with the buttons itself. On the top of the phone, the cutouts are nice and precise, no issues there. On the right of the phone, you have nothing but these bumper cutouts for added grip. On the bottom of the phone, you have your cutouts, also nice and precise. There's no issues there. And your S Pen is easily accessible, no issues retracting the S Pen from the phone itself. In the back of the case, you do have that lip protection to protect those 3 cameras and all of its sensors, and it protrudes pretty well over the screen, so no issues there when laying your phone flat down on its back on a flat surface. And on the front, you do have that lip protection there as well. As you can see, the lip right here, it protrudes over the screen even with the tempered glass screen protector, so you do get a nice substantial amount of protection there on the top and bottom of the phone when laying your phone face down on a flat surface. Feels very good in hand, feels very good. It does not add too much bulk, but it still keeps it nice and pocketable and feels good in hand. And like I said, this back texture here on this case is very grippy. But there you have it. This is the Plyo case from UAG. It is feather light, rugged, military drop tested phone case. Now this is $39.95 with Prime shipping on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. But if you don't want to spend that much money on a case like this, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure you leave a comment, and some lucky random subscriber is gonna get this case for free from me. I am gonna randomly just choose somebody from the comments and send them this case. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.